Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create or set up Kali Linux 2024 virtual machine in Azure Cloud. Okay, so I have connected to Azure portal with my credentials. Click on this menu, then see here we have the virtual machines, or click on the search box and search for virtual machines. See here we have the virtual machines. Click on it, then click on create or click on create. Both are same, so click on create. Then select the Azure Virtual Machine, then select the subscription, then select the resource group. If you don't have any resource group, then click on create new. Then provide the name AC Kali 2024 VM. Name can be anything, okay, but it should be meaningful. See, this is the virtual machine name. Then select the region. I'm going to select US, Central US. Then select the availability options. See, based on the options, the estimated monthly cost will be changed. Okay, availability options, select the availability options from these list. Okay, zone options, self-managed. Okay, availability zone. Okay, I'm not going to change anything. Then security type, I'm going with standard. Then see here image. Here we have to select the Kali list. By default, it is selected recently used image. So in this recently used list, it is not there. So click on see all images, then search for Kali, hit enter. See here we have the Kali Linux. Click on this, select. See here we have the Kali Linux 2024.3 x64 and Gen 2. Select version. See you have VMware architecture. Then select x86. Then select the size. That means number of CPUs and memory. Okay, this is the recently used one. Click on all sizes. Then I'm going with the least one. Select DC one. Then click on select. Then cost will be reduced. See. Then administrator account. I'm going with password. Then provide the username. I'm giving username as demo user. Then provide the password for this user. Then click on confirm the same. See here the value must be between 12 to 72 characters long. So give the password with minimum that length. Next inbound rules. Then next public inbound rules. Select all. Then click on next, that is disks. Then OS disk. Default images size is 40 gigabytes. Font increase, you can select any one of these. Then disk type, I'm going with standard SSD. Then see the option delete with EM. So key management, I'm not going to do anything. If you want to create or attach disk, you have to click on. If you have an existing one, you have to click on attach an existing disk. I don't want, so click on next. See, this is the virtual network. I don't have anything, so it is going to create new one. Subnet, this is the one. I don't have anything also. Public IP. See, if you select none, we won't be able to connect. So select the public IP. Then remaining options, I'm not going to do anything. Also delete public IP and NIC when VM is deleted. Then load balancing, I'm going with none. Then management, I'm not going to do anything. So click on monitoring. If you want to enable alerts, you have to select the checkbox. Then you have to provide the rules. I'm not going to do this demo purpose. Click on next, and that is advanced. If you want to provide any custom data, you have to provide here. Otherwise, keep all as it is and click on next, that is tax 2024.3. Okay, then click on next, that is review and create. See, this is the estimated monthly cost. Okay, still if you want to modify any one of these settings, then you have to select these tabs. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on create. See, deployment is in progress. See, it is going to create these resources. See, deployment is completed. Click on go to resource or go to home. Then click on virtual machines. See here we have the virtual machine. And see here resource group name, subscription name, status is running, type is operating system is Linux, size IP, public IP, etc. options are there. Click on virtual machine, hide this one. See here we have the essentials information. This is the public IP, DNS name not configured. Then see here properties, computer name is Kali. This is the public IP, private IP, hibernation disabled, virtual network. Okay, now we will see how to connect to this virtual machine. Click on connect, then connect. See, username is, this is the username that we have created. Now copy this IP. Now open putty. If you want to install putty, install it. Putty, give that one, paste that IP, then port number is 22, then click on open, then click on accept, then give the username that we have created, hit enter, then provide the password. If you forgot password, you can reset. See, we have successfully connected to Kali Linux. This is the host name, type host name. See, host name is Kali. Even if you go to overview, see here we have the computer name or host name is same. Okay, next verify the version of the Kali Linux that we have installed. More, Ctrl L, more /etc os-release. Hit enter. See, we have installed Kali Linux version 2024.3. Okay, its ID is like Debian. ID is Kali. The first step after connecting to Kali Linux VM is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade these many packages. Installing these 22. This may take time. Now go to here. See here we have the, in the top we have first one is connect, then restart, stop, okay, and delete, refresh. Okay, these many options are there. And also see here we have in the settings we have different options. Okay, configuration, logs, properties, etc. If you want to perform backup and restart, disaster recovery, see here we have this option. So if you are not using, you have to stop the virtual machine. If you want to delete it permanently, you have to click on delete. And this is the private IP that we can verify now. Or go to virtual machines, select it. Here also we have the options to start, restart, stop and delete. Ctrl L. Now verify IP of this machine. ifconfig, no, IP ADDR. See, this is the IP. This is private IP. See here we have the private IP. Okay. If you want to stop, just click on stop. Then it will ask us the confirmation. If you want to delete, select it. Here it will ask us, we have to select these options. Then we have to click on this checkbox. Then we have to click on delete. Okay, this is the way. So in this video we have seen how to create or set up Kali Linux 2024 virtual machine in Azure Cloud. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.